We all have a lifetime of memories bouncing around in our heads, right? Years of experiences, challenges, those big triumphs, and even just those quiet moments that kind of define who we are. But when we actually sit down to share those experiences with the world, figuring out exactly where to start is often the absolute hardest part. Which story should I tell? Man, if you've ever felt that paralyzing feeling of just staring at a blank page, or that mocking, blinking cursor, just wondering how on earth to distill your entire life into one meaningful narrative, listen, you are not alone. It's totally overwhelming. Every single person's life holds countless potential stories. But today I'm going to give you the exact framework to break through that paralysis. I'm right here to help you sift through the noise and find a story that only you can tell. Section 1, sketching your identity map. Okay, let's dive into this. To finally break through that writer's block, we're going to use this powerful tool that is literally an absolute game changer for those early stages of reflection and story discovery. So, what exactly is identity mapping? Well, it's a visual brainstorming technique. Kind of think of it like a graphic organizer that you fill up with all the key aspects of your identity. We're talking about your roles in life, your personality traits, affiliations, cultural background, pivotal experiences, the whole shebang. By sketching an identity map, you're essentially taking all those swirling thoughts in your head and putting them down where you can actually see them. This framework lets you look at all the raw ingredients of your life narrative right there on paper, making them super tangible and workable. Now let's see how this builds in practice. It's a super simple 3-step process. Step 1, you take a blank piece of paper and you just put your name or the word me right smack in the center. Step 2, draw branches outward for every single dimension of your identity or life experience that feels significant to you. And then, step 3, as you branch out, you add sub-items or specific memories around each of those identity facets. I highly, highly encourage you to try this with me. Just externalizing these little bits of your life story physically gets the ideas flowing in a way that just sitting and thinking, well, it just doesn't. To give you a slightly clearer picture, let's look at some example identity branches. You might have a branch for student, and a sub-item there could be first in my family to attend college, or maybe studied abroad in 2022. Or you might have an artist branch, where you jot down your love of sketching since childhood. Then you have your family roles. Maybe you're a fiercely protective older sibling or devoted daughter. By attaching specific memories or milestones to these broad branches, you aren't just making a list, right? You're planting the seeds for your narrative. Every single one of those bullet points holds a story, just waiting to be unpacked. And this brilliantly illustrates one of my absolute favorite things about identity mapping. Intersecting identities spark the best stories. Seriously, it's an amazing and honestly somewhat surprising fact that the intersection of two different roles often reveals the most compelling narrative ideas. Like, for example, what happens when your branch as a student collides with your branch as a parent? The friction, that crazy balancing act, the exhaustion, and the triumphs found right there at that intersection. That is where the truly gripping stories live. You aren't just one thing, and your best stories are going to come from exactly where the different parts of you meet. Section 2, finding the emotional truth. Now that we have our ingredients laid out, we need to shift gears a little bit. We're moving from just brainstorming facts and timelines to uncovering the emotional heartbeat of your story. This is really all about finding the deeper meaning behind the events of your life. I want to share some profound wisdom here from digital storytelling pioneer Joe Lambert. He asks new storytellers 2 absolutely crucial questions. What's the story you want to tell? And what do you think your story means? I want you, as my friend, to really sit with that second question for a second. It's not just about identifying what happened to you, it's about digging much deeper into why it actually matters. Like, why did that specific memory stick with you for 5, 10, or even 20 years? Now, what's really interesting about this is the contrast. On the left side, we have a pretty flat fact. I moved to a new city. Okay, it's a resume bullet point. It tells me what happened, sure, but it doesn't make me feel anything. Now look on the right side. Moving taught me resilience and redefined home. Wow, right? That is an emotional truth. That is an aha moment. When you're looking at your identity map, you've got to push yourself from the left side over to the right side, because those deeper meanings, those lessons of resilience and identity, those are going to become the very core message of your narrative. So, to help you get to that emotional truth, here are 3 essential tips. First, follow the emotion. Choose a story that still evokes genuine feelings in you right now, whether that's a spark of joy, a pang of sadness, swelling pride, or even lingering uncertainty. Because if you feel it, your audience is gonna feel it. Second, start small. Please hear me on this. You do not need to write an epic biography. Just focus on a meaningful slice of life. Your first day at a new job, a 10-minute conversation with your grandparent, the exact moment you finally overcame a fear. A tiny snapshot can speak absolute volumes if it carries emotional weight. And third, consider your audience and purpose. Are you trying to inspire? Are you processing grief? Clarifying your purpose really helps frame exactly how you tell the story. Section 3. Prompts to spark your story. Look, if you're staring at your map and feeling a little stuck, don't worry at all. I am handing you the literal starting line for your writing journey right now. We're going to look at a few prompts specifically designed to spark your story. Here's a rapid-fire menu of guiding questions that you can ask yourself today to get unstuck. Number 1, when was a time I felt truly myself? Number 2, what's a challenge I faced and how did it fundamentally change me? And number 3, who is someone that influenced who I am today and what is the story of our relationship? Notice how these definitely aren't yes or no questions. These specific prompts naturally bypass the boring facts and immediately yield brilliant, emotion-rich narrative ideas. Just pick one of these, apply it to a branch on your identity map, and seriously, watch what happens. So the crucial point is this. By actually engaging in reflection and mapping out your identity, you aren't just doing busy work. You are actively uncovering a story that calls to be told. You're finding something that only you, with your totally unique combination of roles, traits, and memories, can possibly share with the world. This whole reflection process we just walked through, it's the absolute essential first step in crafting an authentic, deeply meaningful narrative. You've got your identity map, and you know how to dig for that emotional truth. What is the one defining story of your life that only you can tell?